You have to go down.
Yeah.
Border it when you get down.
Whew. Welcome to part 2 of it.
Hope you'll like and subscribe.
Stop being a beggar. Subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.
And like and subscribe if you did.
We aren't trying to be beggars.
Yeah. Just want to like this. We just want to feel famous.
Yeah. Ching.
Now let's get on to the video.
Oh.
Are there zombies banging there?
Wait. Hold on. Let me check. Don't. I got my combat knife. Survivors. They're survivors. Guys, come on in. Come on in. Be careful of zombies. Oh, wait. Some of them look like they got bitten. Hey, bro.
It only takes 2 days for the effect to actually show symptoms.
All right. We got medical care for it.
We have medical care, guys.
Extract. We gotta extract it. Sorry, we had to abstract it. Get rid of it. Ugh. Oh wait, I forgot I had a katana. Time to put the combat knife away. Well, at least I remembered I have a katana. That's why I felt something on my back.
Well, let's wait 42 hours to see if it has 48 hours to see if there are any symptoms.
48 hours later, he's looking okay.
Looking okay. You good?
I think he's fine.
Bro, I need some more medical care because he kind of looks like a zombie.
Yeah, we have to put one of them down. Let me use the katana.
I'll use mine.
So sorry about that.
He was a zombie showing effects. All you guys are safe for now.
I dropped.
Grab a weapon.
I need to put my
Help us fight.
katana on my back.
Help us fight.
All right. Hey.
Pick any weapon. Just any.
Except the ones that we have.
Yes. No minigun because that's out of ammo, and no axe because that's for building.
Oh. Great. Wait. I feel something tugging. Ah. Oh, great. That's a zombie. Let me build it. Let me get building. They stole my
katana.
Wait, it looks like it's been affected. I gotta get rid of it. That was my only weapon. What the?
Okay, I think there's a zombie.
Okay, I think that's a zombie.
Hopefully there are no zombies.
Man, I'm really tired of this.
Yeah, this job is tiring. Wait.
I gotta comfort my bed.
A survivor can use this, right?
Yeah. It's got fully loaded ammo in it. I'm exhausted from that work today.
At least the apocalypse is done.
Next day.
You good, man?
Oh.
You okay?
Yes, I had a good sleep.
Oh.
I guess we gotta live here and sleep here.
There'll be more zombies at our door.
Right. That night. What time is it even? It's 9 o'clock at night. Come on.
Oh.
Go to bed. And ouch, that kind of hurt a bit. Ugh. Oh. The next day. Dang. Why do I always put my head on in the night? Ugh. Not feeling so good today. Guys, it's just pretend, don't worry. Ugh. Come on. Bro, wake up.
Yeah.
I'm having this weird of not feeling great today. Obvious pretend. Guys, it's obviously pretend. Ugh.
Or else we wouldn't be filming right now.
Yeah. And
Like
you wouldn't be here.
Like and subscribe if you made it this far.
Ugh.
We're just using the same technique as other YouTubers, so please don't call us beggars.
Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna head back to bed.
Yeah, me too.
Ugh. Why can I not sleep? Just gonna get up. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Ugh. We got a survivor here, yay!
What?
We got a survivor in the zombie apocalypse.
Oh, great.
You. Yeah, you.
Okay, well, I'm not really playing right now. Thanks.
Yeah, let's just...
Coming over to check
From
the
this-
clean down here. Mom said Oscar got into something.
Huh.
So I'm coming to check if I need to clean up anything down here.
Okay.
Ugh.
Sorry.
Wait, is that what I think it is?
We're not gonna... It's not wet, which is good. Oh, all right. I was almost ready to go to the game.
Almost, yeah. Ugh.
Okay, because it's about an hour till game time.
Lying down. Got, ugh. Got a Pokeball.
Nice. Wait, what?
Yeah, I can't find anything down there.
Ugh. What? Yeah, this is supposed to be a survivor tool. I heard that this can trap zombies. Why are you clapping? Stop! That's only for zombies. That's only to attack zombies. I'll Pokeball you. Stop! That's only for the zombies. It's to slap zombies in the face.
And it also work for human?
No. I'll Pokeball you. Near. Yes, so. Ah! We might need to make a part 3 of this.
Yeah. Maybe.
Ugh. Yeah, so that's all for the video right now.
Like and subscribe, and remember, we ain't beggars.